Hi everyone, this is Marcy with myprettyposhprincess.com, and today I am so extremely excited. I had to give you guys a sneak peek. So what you are looking at are our brand new teething silicone bead kits. These are so gorgeous. I have not been this excited about something with beads in a really long time, and I'm excited about beads all the time. So I want to give you a really quick sneak peek. These are so amazing. I'm going to carry stuff that has lots of different sizes. So you can get a big kit, you can get a small kit. They're just amazing. Look at how fun these are. Some of these larger kits, they're just packed. There's tons. And there'll be a better description on the website. You'll see everything that's in there. Multiple pendants, multiple sizes of beads, in different color themes with all of the hardware. It's just too much. I mean, the cuteness. They're gorgeous. Isn't this awesome? Look at this great packaging. The safety information on the back. This is amazing, you guys. I'm so excited about the launch of these brand new silicone teething bead kits. It's going to take me most of the day to get through all of this. There's a lot more than what you see here. I'm working on it, so be patient. If I don't have them up today, I will have them up this week. So follow, let me know what you think about this. I'm so excited, you guys. I hope that you are just as excited as I am. myprettyposhprincess.com.